Must be nice. It's good. These are so warm. Need the camera. What's that? See that? Flint? Flint? What is it called? Flint? Farmers Market. Okay. Alright, this is what I got. Cinnabites. And I'm at Flint Farmers Market. Must try. Oh my god, these are so good. Okay, dip it in that. Oh. Shout out to Becky with the red hair. Was that her name? Was that her name? Is it good though, right? Another one bite? Heat it up really made the next level. Oh my gosh, I know.
Specifically built for it. And this is like super good shape. Oh, it even has the finger grip.
There's no different color. There was only one type of book bag. Yes, my feelings for her. Mom's like, suck it up. No, I don't want to suck it up. I want to have something that's mine.
Sure.
My area code was 60482, I believe.
Did you really 605.
Oh, I've already heard telling me about it.
I did tell Melissa about that, but they don't make stuff like these. That was $5. Remember I used to be able to take everybody for everything because $5.
And even then, no, that one was donation, wasn't it? Canned donation?
Sure. That one in the...
Wow.
Yeah, that's my whole video. She's trying to be like me, Marky, so I've already physically got that
Well,
one.
you should have already physically got me that one.
Yes.
It's her thing.
Yeah.
Can I do a sweet cold brew, the white lightning?
Yeah. What size?
The smallest one.
Okay, wait, give me 1 second.
Give her 1 second. She needs something with espresso.
Something with espresso.
I'm like,
She needs like the
yeah, the cold
wiring.
brew, it is coffee. It does have caffeine. It's just not espresso shot.
yeah. No, it's hard to get those guys and you've got
I was like, I just didn't want to take a picture of the workers.
What's that?
Big B coffee. The way to go.